In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to properly fit a Corflex LSO Plus. This fitting video can be applied to both our ReAlign and LSO models.
To start out, you'll open up the brace. You'll then tuck the pull tabs on it. From here we will go reverse. We will put the patient in there. We will hold here. Remove the side panels. Then adjust the side panels by pulling them. Now we'll remove it. Place the panels back on. Patient then will use the finger loops to apply the brace. The pull tabs pull to their comfort. If the pull tab strings are too long or too short, you can use this by cord winding, locking into place. And that is how you quick fit Corflex, ReAlign, or LSO.